Hello and welcome to Yoga for Boundaries. This can be a busy, hectic time of the year, and boundaries are important no matter what time of the year it is. I think it's very important to have strong boundaries, and it can be frustrating when we feel that others are pushing our boundaries. So if that's the case for you, you've come to the right practice. We are going to work on creating some space and creating some strength in the core, and just understanding kind of our physical boundaries to help understand our non-physical boundaries better. So close your eyes, inhale your shoulders up, exhale through the mouth, let them drop. Let go of anything that you're carrying coming into this practice. Inhale, shoulders come up. Exhale, let it go. Now as we inhale, sweep your arms out to the sides. And do it mindfully and slowly. And bring your hands together down to your heart. Our mantra for this practice is going to be, I breathe in alignment. I breathe out discernment. As you inhale, sweep your arms up. I breathe in alignment. As you exhale, I breathe out discernment, or I practice discernment, whichever feels better for you. Inhale. I breathe in alignment. Exhale. I breathe out discernment, or I practice discernment. And keep your hands at your heart. Now I want you to extend your hands straight out in front of you. So keeping your wrists bent, you're going to, as if you're parting some liquid or some water, move your arms out to the sides. And just notice the sensations that you feel through the palms of your hands. So now it's as if you're in between a door frame. You feel your shoulder blades squeeze together on your back. And then let your hands come down towards your sides. And just kind of, this is a little bit from Tai Chi. You're going to come in through your center, gathering up your energy. You're going to push out and forward. And then to the side, sweeping away anything that you do not want in your field. And as you come out to the side, your wrists are bent. Feel the strength. Shoulder blades pulling together with a straight spine. You bring your hands down by your sides. You can scoot yourself back a little bit if you feel you need. We're going to be extending our legs out into a wide V. So place your fingertips in front of you, and you'll start to crawl your fingertips forward. So coming down, know your limit. Don't push yourself too far. You want to feel a little bit of a stretch in the back of the legs, but nothing painful. Take some deep breaths here. Now we'll walk to the left foot. Your elbow comes to rest either on the top of your leg or on the inside of your leg. Your right arm reaches over. Arcing here, you can look up if that feels okay for your neck. Taking some deep breaths into your right side body. And then letting yourself kind of round forward, sweeping your hands and coming over to the opposite side. Grabbing onto the outside of your right foot, your left arm arcs, and you can look up towards the sky. And breathe into your left side body. And notice here, we get to decide how wide the legs are, how far we take this stretch. So tune into your body and see what it is ready for today. We're not going to push it outside of its boundaries. And now we'll sweep down and forward, coming back through center. We'll take one final breath here. Inhale. Exhale, seeing if your body wants to relax down any further. Then you can ragdoll your spine up through center, going nice and slow. Folding your legs again, left arm comes down, right arm arcs overhead. Looking underneath your arm, And inhale. Right hand comes down, left arm reaches up, looking underneath your left arm. You bring yourself back up through center. And we'll turn so that you are on your mat vertically. We're gonna come into boat pose. So you'll lean back, you'll lift your legs up, your shins should be parallel to the ceiling. Take some deep breaths here. Notice that your spine is straight. You can take your arms up here. If that feels okay, you can try to straighten your legs out. Just go with where you're at. Don't try to push anything. And let's come down. So your forehead comes in. Take a moment here with your forehead resting on your knees. Take a deep breath in. I breathe in alignment. Exhaling, I practice discernment. We'll come again into boat pose. So feeling that strength in our core. Feeling that fire. Knowing that it's there. It's there for us to make decisions that most benefit ourselves. And take a couple deep breaths, feeling into this power. If you're wobbling, it's okay. Keep on breathing. You got this. For 3, 2, and 1. Take your feet together into a butterfly position. You can scoot your hips back a little bit and fold forward. Letting your head come down towards your feet. Bring your spine side to side. As you do so, just feeling into the back body. If you need a pillow here between your feet and your head, you could put that there. But yeah, don't force your head down to your feet. Just breathe where you are. And we'll come back up through center. You can stay where you are. Take your hands to your belly. Inhale through your nose and exhale sharply through the mouth. Feel your belly button pulling as you do that. Inhale through the nose. Exhaling sharply to engage your belly button. Feel yourself sitting tall. As you inhale, sweep your arms up to the sides. Bring your hands up overhead. We're going to connect the pieces that we did earlier just to end our practice. Hands coming down through center. Feeling that line of energy and pushing away. Creating space. Arms come out to the sides. This time, you can go ahead and bring them to clasp behind your back. Feeling into your back body, openness through the chest. Lifting your chest up, breathing deeply into the throat, the lungs, the entire front side of the body. And releasing. Hands come back through center, so we're going to sweep them down. Bring them up to gather at the heart. Inhale, I breathe in alignment. Exhale, I practice discernment. Give yourselves a bow and know that you are in charge of your day. You are in charge of your life. And if you ever need to feel into your physical boundaries, go ahead and repeat this practice and check out my channel for others like this. Be sure to subscribe for lots more. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.